Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need to find past messages on Telegram? Here is how you can view your chat history on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app and go to the chat where you want to view the history. To scroll through the chat history quickly, swipe up and down. For older messages, keep scrolling or use the search feature. Tap at the top of the screen to review the search bar. Enter specific keyword or phrases to locate the messages you need faster. Right at the bottom of the screen, there is an option to show as list, so you can see the list of every message that has the word launch. For even older messages, try using the jump to date option by tapping on the chat date to skip directly to the messages from a specific date. And that's how you view your chat history in Telegram. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.